How to download Chrome on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store. Here we go. Now at the top you're going to find the search box. Over there type in the app name Chrome and search for it. With that, Google Chrome app will appear. After app appears, click on it. Now you will see the option of Get over here, or also you can find the arrow option. Just click on that option. With that, your Face ID will be enabled, or you will need to enter your Apple ID's passcode. Once you do that, download process will start. You just have to wait for a few seconds. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. After completion of this download process, you can launch your Google Chrome. Sign in with your Gmail ID and use it. So this is how you can easily download Chrome on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button here and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.